Hello, this time yesterday, much of England, Wales, southern and eastern Scotland were bathed in sunshine. A different story today. Had much more cloud sinking its way southwards. This was Harrogate just a few hours ago. Further south and east, across parts of Hampshire, Sussex and Kent, we've had a little bit more sunshine around this morning, but already that is starting to fade as this area of cloud sinks its way south and eastwards. Now behind it you can see this speckled cloud, so that indicates some spells of sunshine, but also some fairly blustery showers across parts of Scotland, Northern Ireland, working their way down into northern England. Can't rule out a rumble of thunder or a flash of lightning. Further south, aside from the odd spot of rain, it's mainly dry, and although a lot of cloud, it will thin and break to give some bright or sunny spells. These are average wind strengths through the afternoon, so it's a fairly breezy afternoon, quite gusty for the western and northern Isles of Scotland. Gusts here up to 40 miles an hour, and temperatures down a few degrees compared to yesterday, 11 to 16 Celsius the afternoon high. Through this evening and overnight, most of the showers will fade. We'll keep a few just clipping exposed western and eastern coast. Still that noticeable breeze, which will keep any mist and fog at bay. And it's another cool night, 2 to 7 Celsius the overnight low, a few places getting closer to freezing. So we're going to start Monday on a cool but bright note, a good deal of sunshine. Cloud will be increasing from the north and the west through the day, and later in the afternoon we'll see some outbreaks of rain moving into parts of northern and western Scotland. Ahead of it, mainly dry. Some good spells of sunshine the further south and east you are, but that won't help temperatures much above 14 or 15 Celsius. Now, as we go into Tuesday, we see this area of high pressure developing, so the winds fall lighter, also feeding across something a little bit milder and moister. Perfect recipe on Tuesday morning for some mist and some fog. Could be quite dense in places. That will slowly clear. And then through Tuesday, it's a fairly quiet day. The wind's not quite as brisk. There'll be some bright or sunny spells, particularly across England and Wales. Always more cloud for Northern Ireland and Scotland. But aside from a bit of patchy rain, it should be a mainly dry day. And where we see the sunshine on Tuesday, we could see temperatures getting into the high teens, maybe even the low 20s of Celsius across southeast England. And this area of high pressure still the dominant feature as we go through the middle part of the week. So bringing a lot of dry, settled weather, lighter winds, always more cloud for Northern Ireland, northern and western Scotland, maybe with some patchy rain later in the afternoon. Elsewhere, we should have a mainly dry day. Quite large amounts of cloud probably on Wednesday, but still some spells of sunshine coming through and temperatures in the mid to high teens. Really not bad for the early part of October. That area of high pressure is still with us as we go into Thursday, but keeping an eye on fronts starting to work their way south and eastwards, and these could bring a more persistent spell of rain across parts of Scotland and Northern Ireland through Thursday. The further south and east you are, whilst we'll probably see quite a bit of cloud around on Thursday, it should be mainly dry. And again, still some spells of sunshine. Temperatures getting up to 18 or 19 Celsius quite widely across England and Wales, but a much cooler feel further north. And the exact position of this front could change as we go in towards the end of the week. So we need to keep an eye on the detail. But currently, it looks like the wettest weather will be across southern Scotland, northern England and Northern Ireland as we end the week. To the north of that, it'll be much cooler, some blustery showers. Ahead of it, probably a good deal of sunshine. And again, temperatures getting into the mid to high teens. So there's very little rain around across much of England and Wales through this week. Just to sum it up, really, there'll be some spells of sunshine. It'll feel a little bit warmer. It'll always be more unsettled the further north you are. Bye-bye.